Okay, my name is Farmer Gomez. I'm from West Africa, the Gambia, and this is my brother. He's my cousin brother, actually. We came together on I think, on the 8th of February to India, Bangalore, to do this heart surgery for him at Narayana Hospital. Yeah, and it was quite an experience. It was a nice one. Everybody at the hospital was welcoming and everything. Thanks to the team that is Chain of Hope that made it possible. Everybody was eager to help, and the food was nice, and the environment is clean, and I like everything about Narayana Hospital. For him, before surgery, he get tired easily, and the coughing was disturbing him. He was weak. He wasn't eating much, but for now, he sleeps good. The coughing is gone, and he eats well. So we say thank God and thank Narayana for that, and Chain of Hope as a team.